Hi boys, for our next tutorial on hygiene. Look, in the world of COVID at the moment, there's probably no greater emphasis on hygiene, and with that I've got the wonderful Ms. Emblem, who will be walking you through some important tips, so pay attention fellas as we move through the next part.
Hi boys, so you would have been washing your hands diligently, I'm sure, as you're out and about, but we'll just cover some more areas that you need to pay particular attention to while you're having a little break after you've been sweating or out there working hard. So we'll start with, you would have seen in a previous tutorial, Mr. Oram had a shave and showed you how to use a razor and your shaving cream. So remember to continue doing that. When you're in the shower or in the bath, don't forget to wash your hair maybe once or twice a week just to give it a bit of a clean up. And then always remember your teeth. Morning and night, toothbrush, toothpaste, and if you feel like it, a bit of floss from time to time. After that, we want to get the whole body clean. So use your soap, your body wash, wash from head to toe. Don't miss any pieces, including under your feet. And then when you're out of the shower and you're drying off, don't forget a bit of deodorant to use under each pit. Give it a bit of a spray or a roll-on. Give the hair a bit of a comb, get those knots out. And if the nails are getting a little bit long, use your clippers and trim up your fingernails, your toenails. Make sure they're nice and short. Finally, if you're going out in the sun and doing some work, don't forget to slop on some sunscreen. Thanks, boys.